Hello, and welcome to English Friends Chat.
We are so excited to help you start your English journey today.
Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat.
Hi everyone, we are happy you are here with us again.
My name is Emma.
And I am Ryan, we are your friends for learning English.
If you are new, welcome to our channel. We speak slowly, and we speak simply.
Please click the subscribe button, and please like this video, it helps us very much.
Yes, thank you. So Ryan, how was your morning today?
To be honest, Emma, my morning was a little difficult.
Oh no, why was it difficult?
Well, my car did not start, the engine was dead.
That is a bad start to the day.
I felt very stressed, I thought I would be late.
Stressed is a bad feeling, so what did you do?
I called a mechanic and he fixed it, but it took 1 hour.
At least it is fixed now.
Yes, that is true, but it was a challenge.
Life is full of small challenges like that.
Yes, sometimes things go wrong and we have to fix them.
That is actually a perfect introduction for our topic.
You are right. Today we are talking about life challenges.
We are talking about difficult times and how to solve problems.
It is a serious topic, but a very useful one.
Everyone has problems sometimes. It is part of life.
Today we will learn 10 advanced words to describe these situations.
And we will learn 5 phrases to help you stay positive.
Let's take a deep breath and start the conversation.
Ryan, you had a car problem today. That was an obstacle.
Obstacle, that is our first hard word. What is an obstacle?
An obstacle is something that blocks your way or stops you from moving forward.
I understand. My broken car was an obstacle to getting to work.
Exactly. Imagine a big rock in the road. That is an obstacle.
Life puts many rocks in our road.
It does. Life has many ups and downs.
Ups and downs, that is our first phrase.
Ups and downs means life has good moments and bad moments.
Today was a down moment for me, but now is an up moment.
I am glad. Sometimes the problems are bigger than a broken car.
That is true. Sometimes we face adversity.
Adversity, that is a very strong word.
Adversity means a very difficult situation or condition, usually for a long time.
For example, being very poor is adversity, or being very sick is adversity.
Yes, it is a serious hardship.
When we face adversity, we feel anxiety.
Anxiety, many people know this feeling.
Anxiety is a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something.
I felt anxiety this morning when my car died.
Yes, you were worried about the future.
Uncertainty causes anxiety.
Uncertainty, that is word number 4. Uncertainty means you do not know what will happen. Nothing is sure. The future is full of uncertainty, and that can be scary.
So Emma, when we feel anxiety and uncertainty, what should we do?
We must face our fears.
Face your fears, that is our second phrase.
Face your fears means to do the thing that scares you. Be brave.
That is not easy to do.
No, it is not. Let me tell you a story about facing fear.
Please tell us.
When I was younger, I moved to a new city alone.
That is a big change. Did you know anyone there?
No, I knew nobody. I felt very lonely, and I faced many obstacles.
What did you do?
I had to adapt.
Adapt, that is a useful word.
To adapt means to change yourself to fit a new situation.
So you changed your habits?
Yes. I learned the new map. I found a new job, and I made new friends.
That shows you have resilience.
Resilience. This is my favorite word today.
Resilience is the ability to become strong again after something bad happens.
It is like a ball. If you drop a ball, it bounces back up.
That is resilience bouncing back.
We need resilience to get through it.
Get through it, that is phrase number 3.
Get through it means to survive a difficult time and reach the end.
You got through the hard time in the new city.
Yes, I did. I did not go home.
You decided to persevere.
Persevere, that is a long word. Can you explain it, Ryan?
Persevere means to keep trying and not stop, even if it is difficult.
It is similar to not giving up.
Yes, you persevered, and you found a job.
Finally, after 1 year, I felt happy again.
You overcame the problem.
Overcome. That is word number 8.
To overcome means to succeed in dealing with a problem. You win against the problem.
Yes, I overcame my loneliness.
And that was a big accomplishment.
Accomplishment. That is a nice word.
An accomplishment is something successful that you have done.
Learning English is a big accomplishment.
Yes, it is. Our friends watching are accomplishing something today.
Ryan, what helped you when you had hard times?
My friends helped me. They were very supportive.
Supportive. That is our last hard word.
Supportive means giving help and encouragement.
It is important to have supportive friends.
Yes, never be afraid to ask for help.
Ask for help. That is phrase number 4.
Ask for help means to speak to someone when you need assistance.
Some people think asking for help is weak, but it is strong.
I agree, we cannot do everything alone.
When things are bad, I try to use our last phrase.
What is the last phrase?
Look on the bright side.
Look on the bright side. That is a classic phrase.
It means to find the good things in a bad situation.
For example, my car broke, but I am safe and I am here with you now.
That is the bright side.
Talking about challenges makes them feel smaller.
It really does.
Emma, we use some very intelligent words today.
Yes, these words will help you sound very advanced.
Let's review the 10 words quickly.
Word 1, obstacle.
Something that blocks your way.
Word 2, adversity.
A very difficult situation or condition.
Word 3, anxiety.
A feeling of worry or nervousness.
Word 4, uncertainty.
Not knowing what will happen.
Word 5, adapt.
To change to fit a new situation.
Word 6, resilience.
The ability to bounce back and be strong again.
Word 7, persevere.
To keep trying and not stop.
Word 8, overcome.
To succeed against a problem.
Word 9, accomplishment.
Something successful you finished.
Word 10, supportive.
Giving help and kindness.
And our 5 phrases were ups and downs. Face your fears, get through it, ask for help, and look on the bright side.
I feel smarter already.
Me too. Now let's play a game.
I love games. What is this game?
This game is called Good Advice or Bad Advice.
Okay, I am ready.
I will tell you a problem and give you advice. You tell me if it is good or bad.
That sounds easy. Let's go.
Problem 1. I failed my English test. Advice: stop studying English forever.
That is bad advice. You should persevere and study more.
Correct. Problem 2. I am feeling very sad and lonely. Advice: call a supportive friend.
That is good advice. Asking for help is good.
Yes. Problem 3. I lost my job. Advice: stay in bed for 1 month.
That is bad advice. You need to adapt and look for a new opportunity.
Exactly. Problem 4. My car is making a strange noise. Advice: turn up the radio and ignore it.
That is very bad advice. That leads to a bigger obstacle later.
You are right. Ignoring problems is never good.
This game teaches us that we must be active to solve problems.
Yes, face the challenge. Do not hide from it.
Friends, we are finishing our talk about life challenges.
We hope this video was not too sad for you.
We hope it was supportive and helpful.
Life is difficult, but you are strong.
You have resilience inside you.
And you have us. We are your English friends.
Now, it is time for the question of the day.
We want to hear about your life.
Today's question is, what is a small challenge you overcame recently?
Yes, what is a small challenge you overcame recently?
Maybe you fixed something in your house.
Maybe you learned a hard English word.
Or maybe you cooked a difficult meal.
Please write your answer in the comments.
Writing about your accomplishments makes you feel good.
We read every comment and we are proud of you.
Thank you for watching today.
Thank you for learning with us.
Remember to look on the bright side.
See you in the next video, friends.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.